Ako po si Richard Bundang, Project Manager of Iba Botanicals Inc. Hinahandle ko sa company is more on the construction projects, especially for the distillation, other mini projects ng company. Ako yung nagiging technical expert nila in terms of construction. Mas na-appreciate ko siya ngayon kasi dati wala namang interrelation yung construction management field of knowledge ko nung pumasok ako dito sa Iba Botanicals as construction manager or project manager. Nung in-invite ako ni Sir Ben to be the one of the participants here, it's unexpected talaga, and now nagkaroon ako ng mas malawak na understanding para ma-relate ko yung field of expertise ko being a construction or project manager into the agricultural side for Agarwood.